What is going on, Laser Focus Solutions Media? This is Chris Godwin here, your host, and today is 7/27, Saturday, and I wanted to give a recap. So yes, we did miss yesterday's recording. I took a personal day, let's call it, even though I gave myself a 90-day challenge. Yesterday was important, so I made a decision, right? I made a decision to commit to what I was invested in yesterday and not deviate. And again, even though I made a 90-day challenge commitment, I did fall short not recording yesterday. So this happens to be the second time that I've missed. Both times personal, came over. So I have no regrets, however, with that being said. So let's get started. So from a recap, today is Saturday. We went ahead and we did work today. We pulled an audible. Since getting the suspension work done on the truck, man, is my enclosed trailer tossing tools around. So it's winning the battle right now, and I think it's annoying, it's unproductive. Quite honestly, it's just a nuisance because I take pride in that trailer being organized, knowing where the equipment is, knowing where the tools are, and knowing that when I need something, I can just go with it and get it. So with that being said, we pulled an audible today. We were supposed to wrap up a basement remodel that we're doing. But the client, was like, hey, we're not in a crazy hurry. What you've done is suitable. She did add a couple things to it for us to do, which is doors. So I got a custom order 2 doors because of the height issues. And so I just said, again, beautiful day outside. I figured, okay, let's pull an audible. Let's just focus on cleaning the trailer up, getting this thing back to where we could be productive. And then also we went and started another job whose client has asked us to come out and do some repairs on the home so they can get it listed for sale. So we started that one today. We are not going to work tomorrow, even though I did say yesterday, oh yeah, I'll go out Sunday and do X, Y, and Z. I forgot I'm going camping. So so came home tonight, parked the truck, put it in a place where I can do an oil change in the morning, and then we're going to hook up the travel trailer and go camping. So I'll bring my notepad with me. Basically, for those who wonder, it is nothing more than just a calendar. And right now, obviously, this is blank. But what I like to do is just, it's just a Walgreens calendar, and it's very impactful for me. This is my 3rd book now. Important notes, most important tasks of the week, additional tasks, this week's summary, and prep for next week. I scratch in there often. And then this one I have as well, which is basically another Walgreens special. Love the verbiage on the front. And this one here is nothing more than just a place where, again, I could take notes and of a site if I'm there, if I need to, right? Full transparency, I don't use that book as much since I've gotten Company Cam. I now use Company Cam to put all my notes together on customer sites, which is very, very convenient. So I don't use that book as much. I actually use that book more personal now, just for note taking. So back to the recap. We cleaned the trailer out this morning. Went to the location. There was there was a patch job in the bathroom master, nail pops in the spare bathroom, some tape pulling away in the corners on the master bedroom, 2 water stain leaks in the kitchen and 2 water stain leaks in the living room, and then some deck repairs that needed to be done. So that was the list. So we went ahead again and got started today with that by doing all of the first coats, minus the kitchen. We elected to leave the kitchen open. We opened the hole up for the client because there was some concern with continuing leaking. So since we're not going to return until Monday, I just thought about it. I said, you know what, let's leave these open. You can use your showers, just get peace of mind. If there is an issue, then we're going to need to call a plumber. So Monday, we'll hop on those and address those, and we'll probably have to return Tuesday to finalize, but that's not a horrible thing. So that's going to be the Monday task. We also finished up the bedroom remodel that we worked on. This client had a issue with previous wallpaper being on the walls and residual glue, and previously somebody prior to her and them painted the walls. So Very unique situation. What we found was when we tried applying our 5-minute mud, it just wouldn't stick. It was beating up, bubbling up, it was cracking, it was wrinkling. It was the craziest of scenarios, and what it boiled down to was that it was just compromised, right? The drywall would not take. So it was not a simple little task of priming over top and then painting on top of that and moving on. No, it needed to be replaced. So that's what we went ahead and did. We re-drywalled the bedroom. So that job is wrapping up today as we speak. As a matter of fact, I just left there about 20 minutes ago. Client's happy, and we're getting that wrapped up as well. So feeling good about that. So again, the basement job did not get done today like I wanted, so that will get done next week. With a few ads that might not get done, but the ads, again, they're extras, and I have to wait for doors to come. The bedroom job is done as of today. I will have to go back and do, again, a couple extras that this client added on as well. So I'm scheduling that for next week. What happened this past week, and I got to get better at, is I have smaller jobs and repeat clients that call in for stuff, and I commit to go out at 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock, whatever. And on these larger jobs, they just swallow me up and I can't leave them. So I did lose a job this week. I did lose a client's job this week. He had a mailbox replacement, a shower curtain rod, a towel bar, and a TV mount to come down and patch. So unfortunately, when the client reached out to me and said, "Hey, can you do it on Tuesday, the 30th?" I replied back a day or two later with, "Yes, I can." And his comment was, "Well, this has been taking too long. I went in a different direction." So it's unfortunate, but again, we can't always win them all. So hopefully the client, got somebody in that can do that cares for their home as much as Laser Focus Solutions. So we lost that one. And then I got another one that I was trying to get out to on Friday to replace a lock on a sliding glass door. And again, I was just on this bigger job trying to get it wrapped up, and it just didn't happen. So I got to get to a point where I staff an individual, and really take on some more work to keep that person staffed, and then also, balance it all out. So we're still in that growing pain phase where it's tiresome on me, stressful on me, and trying to work through that. So what else? The drywall job that we're doing in Middletown, it will continue next week. The client was off this past week. They asked us to continue on the week of the 29th. So we're going out there to continue that one. And then we got another drywall job with some patches, 3 or 4 holes due to some plumbing leaks, and a tile that's cracked in a shower. We'll need to replace that, and then recaulk a shower. So that is a job we have for, I think, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we're booked out all next week, the following week as well. I feel like there's maybe 1 week that might have some flexibility in it in the month of August, but for the most part, we got a lot going on. So good place to be. It's a healthy place to be. And again, I really, really can't say enough about this audience, my clients, this community in Middletown, Delaware. You all rock. It's crazy. I just went and had ice cream at the local creamery down the street, and man, did they put out some good ice cream. That vanilla is on point. So I love this community. I love living in this community, and I love serving this community. So with that, I'm going to end. And like I said, I'll do some videos from the campground. I guess it looks like, I got to keep up the commitment. So I guess we'll be taking this thing on the road. And with that said, I'm going to end, and I'm going to end the video. Thanks a lot. Peace out.